Hey everyone, in this video, we are diving into the world of long lasting battery life laptops. These laptops are the best of the best, giving you hours, sometimes full day or more of unplugged use. These laptops will give you long lasting battery life, good power, and comes at an attractive price. So, let's dive into the video to see which are those 5 amazing laptops that come with a long lasting battery life. If you have any queries related to buying any new laptop, you can comment in the comment section. I will reply you there. For all the laptops, I have provided link in the description and also tagged in this video. Dell Inspiron 14 Plus comes with a battery capacity of 64 watt-hour. It gives you around 23 hours of runtime in a laptop that is on not heavy task. So whatever I am giving the battery life is for the light usage of the laptop. So the special features in this laptop is a great mix of power and efficiency, and it usually includes a powerful Intel processor and a high resolution display, but Dell manages to keep the battery running and running. Its premium build quality and comfortable keyboard make it a joy to use. This laptop is best suitable for students and general users who need a reliable workhorse for all-day classes or long stretches of work away from home. The Dell Inspiron 14 Plus is a fantastic all-rounder that provides performance without sacrificing portability. We were seriously impressed with its ability to keep going for hours. And this means you can truly leave the charger at home for a day trip or long flight. The display is bright and clear, and overall the design feels much more impressive. If you want a fast and dependable laptop, then go for this. It comes at an affordable price also. Acer Swift Go 14 AI with a battery capacity of 65 watt-hour, it gives you approximately 23 hours of runtime. The AI in the name comes from its cutting-edge, power-efficient processor, which is a major reason for its incredible runtime. It also features a stunning OLED display on some models, giving you deep blacks and vibrant colors. It's lightweight and thin, making it a dream for travel. This is a great fit for creative professionals and travelers who need a bright, high-quality screen and endless battery life for working on the go. The Acer Swift Go 14 AI packs a serious punch when it comes to battery life, lasting over 23 hours in a single charge on a light usage. This long-lasting power is paired with a beautiful screen that makes watching videos or editing photos a real pleasure. It's light enough to carry everywhere, yet feels sturdy. The inclusion of the latest power-saving tech means it's not just the endurance runner, but also a very smart and responsive machine. For those who prioritize gorgeous display and extreme portability with the all-day battery life, then this laptop is best suitable for you. Asus ZenBook A14 with a 70 watt-hour battery. This laptop will give you 24 hours of battery life on light usage. This laptop is known for the super thin and light design. It's one of the first to feature a new generation of incredibly power-efficient processors that sip power instead of gulping it. It often has a beautiful and nearly bezel-less display and a military-grade durable chassis, meaning it can take a beating while traveling. The ZenBook A14 is ideal for digital nomads and frequent business travelers who need a blend of ultra portability and maximum uptime. With an incredible battery life of over 24 hours, the Asus ZenBook A14 ensures you can easily work a full day and well into the night without searching for an outlet. It's an absolute powerhouse of endurance tucked into a very small premium body. The lightweight design makes it almost unnoticeable in your bag. It combines a great looking screen with a comfortable keyboard, making it excellent for long working sessions. Microsoft Surface laptop with a 54 watt-hour battery. This 13-inch laptop will almost give you 24 hours of battery life on light usage. This is the Microsoft flagship laptop, known for its iconic minimalistic design and premium material like the smooth Alcantara fabric keyboard deck on some versions. It features a unique high-resolution touchscreen and is perfectly optimized to run Windows, leading to the unmatched efficiency. This is the best choice for professionals and students who want most pure, seamless and high-quality Windows experience with a fantastic battery life. The 13-inch Microsoft Surface laptop is a masterclass in efficiency and design. Despite having a slightly smaller battery life than some other laptop in this list, its deeper optimization allows it to run for over 24 hours. The build quality is simply stunning, and the tall, bright display is perfect for documents and web browsing. It combines the latest performance with a premium look and feel. HP OmniBook X14 with a battery capacity of 59 watt-hour. It will give you approximately 25 hours of battery life on a single charge and on simple app running. This laptop has pushed the boundaries of what's possible with a thin and light design. It combines a powerful new generation processor with a compact frame, offering incredible performance alongside its huge battery life. It often includes an excellent, comfortable keyboard and a suite of smart features. This is the ultimate laptop for anyone who needs maximum mobility and full workdays worth of power. And then some, especially those who rely heavily on Windows applications. The HP OmniBook X14 officially takes the crown, smashing the 25 hours of battery life. This is an absolute revolutionary level of endurance for a modern powerful laptop. You can use this machine for 2 full work days on a single charge without worrying about finding an outlet. The design is sleek, lightweight, and feels incredibly premium, matching its top-tier performance. For anyone who travels constantly, works remotely in varying locations, or simply hates carrying a charger, the OmniBook X14 offers the freedom to work, create, and stream longer than any other device right now. It's truly the best of the best battery life laptop that you can buy. So these are the 5 amazing battery life Windows laptop that comes at a budget price. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.